If you run a small business today, online advertising is one of the fastest ways to reach new customers. But with so many platforms available, it often comes down to two heavyweights, Google Ads and Meta Ads Manager. Both can drive strong results, but they work in very different ways. Understanding how each one targets, performs, and converts can help you decide where your advertising budget delivers the best return on investment. Let's start with Google Ads. This platform focuses on intent. When someone searches for a product or service, they are already looking to buy or learn more. Google Ads places your business directly in front of those people at that exact moment. That is why search campaigns are so powerful. They capture attention right when potential customers are ready to act. You can run text ads on Google search results, display ads across millions of partner websites, or even promote videos on YouTube. The reach is massive and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. For small businesses, that level of targeting is incredibly efficient. You can set your daily budget, choose the exact keywords you want to appear for, and track conversions in real time. Google Ads also provides strong local targeting, which helps you reach people near your store or service area. Now let's talk about Meta Ads Manager, which powers advertising across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. While Google Ads is about intent, Meta Ads focus on discovery. People are not necessarily searching for your product, but with the right targeting, you can put your brand in front of the exact audience who is most likely to be interested. The platform uses detailed demographic and interest-based data, which means you can target by age, location, hobbies, or even behavior. That makes it perfect for building brand awareness, growing communities, or driving engagement around visually appealing products and services. Meta Ads shine when it comes to creative presentation. You can use photos, videos, carousels, or stories to show off your brand in a natural, social way. For small businesses with strong visuals, like boutiques, cafes, or fitness studios, it is a fantastic tool for catching attention and inspiring action. In the end, both platforms can deliver impressive results when used strategically. Google Ads is like a sharp tool for immediate conversions, while Meta Ads Manager is more like a stage that lets your brand shine and connect emotionally. The best return on investment comes from knowing your audience, setting clear goals, and choosing the platform that matches how your customers make decisions. Whether you lean toward precision targeting with Google or storytelling with Meta, the key is consistency. Test, measure, and refine until your ads bring the results your business deserves.